everybody. Welcome back. Hey, Blueberry.
Hi, Joel.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you today? I see you've got that really cool car over there.
Right? Look at this thing.
It looks like Emilio's.
Hey, we've been working hard on this thing, you know, and building stuff. You got to really measure a lot of stuff.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Did you make that?
We've been working on it, yes. Yeah, me and some friends, we've been building this car.
It's amazing. I want to ride in it.
I think it's just your size, Blueberry.
It is.
It is.
Well,
So,
how do you know what size it is?
Well, we've had to measure a lot of different things, different parts about it, right? Like how long we wanted it, how tall we wanted it.
Yeah.
And there's lots of different ways to measure things. There's different tools that we can use.
Oh, well, yeah, like a ruler.
Like a ruler. A ruler's a great one. A tape measure's another one, right?
Yeah.
But those are very accurate and very direct measurements. We can also use other objects to help measure things, and those would help us with indirect measurements.
Indirect measurements.
Indirect measurements.
Okay.
Like we could use even things like these building blocks, these little cubes. Yeah. So we could take these, and if I wanted to measure over here at the car, like I could do that because I could go over here, hold this up, and say, okay, how many blocks high is this, right? And I could measure it up. So each of these is 10, and it looks like, well, that's about 17 because it went right here.
Oh, 17 blocks.
17 blocks high is how tall we've made that. Right? So that's one way we can measure. Now, there's other tools or other objects that we can measure with too.
Oh, like a fish!
Oh, we could use a fish. Okay, all right. So we could also use things like, hey, if I want to compare, I want to say, hey, which one is taller? Is my car, did I make that taller?
I guess
hey.
I dropped it.
Okay, so we could just see which thing is going to be taller, and I might need to measure this, right? So I could say, all right, how many markers tall is this little back scratcher thing? And I could measure it up, and looky there, it's about 3 of them. 3 markers tall. Oh, Blueberry, did you find a fish?
Yeah, will you grab that from me?
Did you? I sure will. Where did you get a fish?
Oh, it's in my backpack.
Oh dear. That probably doesn't smell very good in there. I don't know about that. So, Blueberry, while you were getting that fish, we found out that this back scratcher is about 3 markers tall.
Oh.
And our car over there was about 17 blocks or cubes tall. Which one do you think is taller?
Oh, I'm not sure. Scratch my back and maybe I'll know.
Okay. Is that better?
Oh, yeah, a little lower.
Okay. How's that?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, yeah.
I still don't know. I'm sorry.
You still don't know. You know why we don't know?
Because my back itches.
Well, maybe, but also because we used different units, right? We said this was 17 cubes or blocks.
And that's a whole different thing.
That's a whole different thing. So when we're measuring things, we've got to really try and use the same unit. Okay.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, it does. Okay, so let's remeasure this one. How about that? I'll remeasure this. Except this time, I'll use the cubes and we'll see, then we can compare better. Okay? So if I add these on, let's see. There was the 17, but oh look, it's taller than the 17.
Oh.
I can keep adding that on. Okay, there's 20.
Oh, wow, that's really tall.
It is pretty tall. Look, it can even fit maybe another, maybe just
Another 2 blocks?
Yes, 2 blocks. Let's see if it works out. What do you think? Oh, that's pretty close, isn't
that's
it?
pretty close.
It's pretty close. 22. So if this is 22 cubes or blocks tall, and our car was 17.
Well, then that's taller.
Then this one's taller. And we could tell because we use the same unit.
Yeah.
So that's really important. You know, as you are maybe trying to measure things around where you are, maybe you want to see, hey, and compare different things. When you're doing that, a couple things to keep in mind. Blueberry, you got to make sure that whenever you're doing it, you're not leaving any gaps in between your objects that you're using.
Because that can make it off.
It would, like, you know, if I were to lay this down, but I didn't lay them together, well, that's not a very accurate measurement, right?
No.
So we can't have any gaps whenever we're measuring with different tools, okay? You know,
Hey, I've got a tool.
You have one?
Yeah, I think I've got a ruler in my backpack.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe we'll see a ruler. So these are indirect measurements. Remember that this is different than the direct ones where we have an actual ruler or a tape measure, and you can measure with anything, right? I could measure this truck using these popsicle sticks and see how many popsicle sticks it is. And then I can compare that with different objects. So those are indirect measurements. I wonder, Blueberry?
Well,
Blueberry?
it's just kind of big.
Oh, okay.
Here.
What?
Maybe this could be used for direct measuring.
Oh, this is bigger than a ruler. This is a whole yardstick, Blueberry, but that's awesome.
That work?
That will work. That's a great tool to use to measure. So now that we've learned about some measuring things, maybe you can find something to measure around you. So thanks for joining us, and be sure to check out more with Blueberry on Blueberry's Clubhouse.
Can I get in the car now?
You can. Let's go for a ride.
Woohoo!